Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of locked account on the application of Threads. We go here to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Threads and you click. Here we go to first stop and you click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.